Look, I don't understand why I'm in this building in the first place. It's my friends dare me to, and so here I am. God, how creepy this church looks. We're heading down to the basement. Right. This dark hallway is just creepy. Oh God. The lights. Yeah, I don't even want to talk about it. What is that? Why does it sound so familiar? It feels like I want to go near it. I mean, I don't want to, but it just feels like I have to go near it. Right? Beautiful. I mean, I.
A child abduction emergency email has been applied to Cleveland, Ohio. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Cleveland Division of Police and the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Between January 8th and January 9th, 15 children between the ages of 4 and 16 have been reported missing all over the Cleveland area, specifically in the Union Miles Park neighborhood. All of the descriptions of the missing children can be found on MissingChildren.com. If you happen to spot anyone who matches the description of any of the missing children, call the Cleveland Division of Police immediately. Please stay tuned for more information as this story develops. Normal programming will continue after this alert.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
A local area emergency has been applied to Cleveland, Ohio. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Cleveland Division of Police. 30 minutes after the previous alert, a faint but clear voice resembling that of a choir singer has been heard all around the city. The voice appears to be singing the Christian hymn, Amazing Grace, although this cannot be confirmed at this time. Due to this voice, residents in or around the Union Miles Park neighborhood have been walking in a trance-like state towards the abandoned Naivety Catholic Church. If you live in or around the Union Miles Park neighborhood, make sure to wear earplugs or soundproof headphones. If you were outside at this time and heard the voice, cover your ears and run to your house as fast as you can. Please, stay tuned for more information as this story develops. Normal programming will continue after this alert.
Hello, and this is Kendra from Fox News. Today, we have news of a horrific massacre in Cleveland, Ohio that resulted in the deaths of 33 people. The massacre started after police were called about a group of people walking in a trance-like state towards the abandoned Naivety Catholic Church. When police arrived at the scene, They found the bodies of 15 dead children and 4 adults laying in the church aisle. As a group of 15 officers entered the building adjacent to the church, they found an automaton made of tangled wires and it was wearing church robes. The automaton reportedly sung the Christian hymn, Amazing Grace, which supposedly caused many of the officers to die of a ruptured aneurysm in their brain. However, the last remaining officer shot the automaton with his handgun, neutralizing it. The automaton resembles that of the Signing Clergyman, a character created by Canadian horror artist, Trevor Henderson. It's unclear how the automaton got there in the first place. All that matters is that the situation would have gone worse had it not been for the officer who risked his life to neutralize the thing. I'm Kendra and this is Fox News.